We're not asked to find theta in this question, but tan theta. And we've got an equation involving sine and well, sec, so cos. We've got sine 2 theta as well. So first things first, I think it makes sense to expand sine 2 theta. So we're going to get 2 sine squared theta minus, and then I can write, actually I can write sec. No, I'm going to leave it as it is for the moment. Sine theta, I might just write it as over cos theta is equal to, so sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, so this is going to become 4 sine theta cos theta, and I'm minusing 2. And we kind of want to get an equation in terms of tan, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide through by cos squared theta. This will help to some extent because I'm going to get 2 sine squared over cos squared. That's actually going to be tan squared. So like my highest term is now in terms of tan. Here, well, this is actually tan theta. And then I'm going to get sec squared theta. Over here, I'm going to divide by cos theta. One of them is going to cancel with that one, but I'm actually dividing by cos squared. So I'm going to get 4 tan theta. And then it's going to be minus 2 sec squared theta. All right, well, we're on the right track. Now, we've got to just recall, is there a relationship between sec squared and tan? Well, we know that sine squared plus cos squared is always 1, like x or whatever. If I divide through by cos squared, I'll get tan squared plus 1 is then sec squared. So I can replace the sec squared by tan squared theta plus 1. This is great here as well. Just gonna sort of draw an arrow to both. So that gives 2 tan squared theta minus, and then I'm going to get tan, okay, tan cubed theta. So that actually, yeah, that becomes a leading term. I didn't really spot that. And then I've got the plus 1. This will be a minus tan theta equals 4 tan theta minus 2 tan squared theta. And then I'm going to get minus 2 as well. So this is okay. This is a cubic and tan. If I get it all on one side with the tan cubed as the leading term and the coefficient of 1, so add it to the right hand side. Tan cubed theta minus 4 tan squared theta plus 5 tan theta minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a hidden cubic, actually. So I'm going to do a substitution, I think. Let x equal tan theta. So x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Now, we're not given any factors, so we need to try some out. The good news is that this is a small number, and so if it's going to factorize into 3 brackets, like the numbers are going to be small integers, and so we can try something, well, x equals 0, no, why am I talking about x equals 0? X equals 1 would be a first one to try and see if that is a solution. So the left-hand side would be 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. That is going to be 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. Brilliant. That means I can do polynomial division to get the what is left when we divide by x minus 1. Okay, we're going to get x squared minus 3x plus 2. So this is equal to 0. And we can try and factorize it. We're actually going to get another minus 1 root and a minus 2 root. That will factorize. So x equals 1 or 2. And actually that's it. We did a substitution. So tan theta is equal to 1 or 2. Nice job.